Hey guys, welcome back to Wendy's World. I am shooting on a spectacular day in Toronto. I want to introduce you to something amazing. Instead of using botox or anything invasive, you can use Frownies. I'm going to teach you exactly how to use them. So if you notice your skin doesn't bounce back as it used to, if you don't use sunscreen, you know how when we were growing up, we didn't use sunscreen, and of course, the rays, well, they're not that good for your skin, and so we get these things called wrinkles. I'm going to teach you how to use this product called Frownies to take away those wrinkles practically overnight. If you have wrinkles between your eyes, the corner of your eyes, your foreheads, the corner of your mouth, Frownies to the rescue. So this is what you get in your package. You'll get about 144 patches, which is, I think it's good for a supply of 8 to 16 weeks. For me, it's going to last a little bit less than that, simply because I like to take care of the wrinkles between my eyes and on my nose and on the corners of my eyes. So therefore, I'm going to use around 4 of these patches. So this is just simply craft paper and an adhesive glue on the back of it. It is so simple, and you just put a little bit of water on it, and then you put it in between your eyes, because that's the area that I need to work on, and you literally just sleep with it overnight. It is so easy. This box itself only cost me $28. Can you imagine? I know Botox costs hundreds of dollars, and this is a natural way of taking care of the wrinkles that you have. One great tip that I have for you is just to save on the Frownies. I usually use about 4, so now I will use only 3, because I figured out what I can do is I can cut them. So I'll cut it in half, and one half I'll use for the corner of my eye, and the other half I'll use for the other side of my eye. Good tip. The other thing is, what I would suggest is, because this kind of digs into your skin a little bit once it's dried, what I would do is soften the corners. So in other words, you don't have to wet the entire patch. Just soften the corners and wet the center of your patch. Frownies is considered Hollywood's best kept secret. Go ahead, get yourself some Frownies. You'll be so happy. Let me know how it works out. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.